Have you ever created a video and then when you want to repurpose it into like multiple short clips for all your various social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and whatever, that took up a freaking many hours of your time? Hey, come closer. Closer some more. I've got the perfect tool for you to cut those hours into minutes. Yep, faster than when I fall asleep. Hi friends, I'm Shannon and welcome to the Automated Boss, where we help solopreneurs and small business owners increase efficiency by sharing and reviewing software, tech, and productivity hacks. So in today's video, I'm sharing PiktoStory, a web software that allows you to create like multiple short videos from one long video in a very easy way, even in less than 15 minutes. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell so that you can be notified of more useful softwares. So this is PiktoStory's dashboard. So there are 4 different ways that you can actually upload your videos. So first of all is record with the webcam directly using PiktoStory. Next is upload from your computer, and then you can also upload from your Google Drive that's imported over, or you can even import from Zoom. That is actually really useful. So let's just try this out with a record with webcam, and I'm going to change it to FaceTime over here. Ta-da! Hi! For the microphone, you can also even change it like to, maybe let's say you have an external mic. You can just do that, but I'm using my default microphone, my MacBook Pro microphone over here. Yeah, so, and it's just so useful and easy, right? And at the bottom, you can see that there is this get started, learn how to use PiktoStory, like video already uploaded for you. So you can click on that and then just, watch what the founder has to say. Okay, so let us now upload my video from computer just to show you how long it would take to upload a video. So this is a 13.55 minutes, 13 minutes, 55 seconds video. So let's upload this. So like language English. And okay, so let's start the timer. Okay, so that took about 6.5 minutes to not just upload almost 14 minutes of video, but also to transcribe 14 minutes worth of non-stop talking by yours truly, of course. So that's actually pretty fast, I would say, uploading plus transcribing as well. So, ta-da! So let's head on inside to the video. You can choose between like 1 square 1 by 1, or 16 by 9 horizontal, or vertical 9:16, or don't want it to be too long, would be 4:5 portrait mode. So you can change the background. You can even add watermark as well. So I'm going to add watermark, and I'm going to add this logo myself over here. Yep, actually kind of scary to see two of myself, like ooh. Okay, good thing like the 7th month is over. So yeah, maybe I will not add a watermark. I can put a text if you want to as well, but this is black on black, so you can't really see it right now. And unless maybe I change the background color, which you absolutely can do. So oops, let me just click on the background and maybe say white background if that's your jam. So you can put it at the corner or maybe below, up to you. Usually, I mean, it's at the video here, so but I'm just gonna do without watermark for this demo purposes, and I'm going to keep this background to black color. Yep, just because I prefer that. So title, just click on it. You can change the font, you can change the color as well, the text size. Yep, bolded, italics, or even the to justify the what do you call that, centralized or left and right. And you can even put, say, a background color, yep, to your text as well. So yeah, if you don't want to, just click on it and you can just choose the color too. So I'm not going to have italics and text. This is the captions. Yep, so this is automatically captions for you already. So this will totally be based on what's happening here on the side. So for example, let's say, okay, let's just hear whether it's accurate, yeah, or not. Oops. Okay, let's play
I
it.
recently switched from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Well,
Okay, Templars, Samsung Galaxy Note Templars to the Apple iPhone 13 promo. So I'm going to change this, okay, to Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and to the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm going to just put this back and Pro. Okay, well, it's been a few weeks and I'm really not sure if I can say that I absolutely love the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm going to chop these sentences up from the Galaxy. I recently switched from, I can just chop this up, Note 10 Plus, and then chop this up. And it's been a few weeks. And, okay, chop this up. Not sure if I can say that, chop this up. I absolutely love the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. So yeah, when you chop these up, right, chop these sentences up, they will actually adjust the timing for you accordingly too. So let's just hear.
Recently switched from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Well, it's been a few weeks and I'm really not sure if I can say that I absolutely love the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Huh? Yeah, even though I'm
Yep, so generally speaking, the timing is really super duper good, right? Except that you will find that just now, perhaps, yeah, even though it's over here, so there was the cat saying, huh, right? The next text actually popped up already. So, you can probably just, yeah, like you can't really adjust this actually. So let's
iPhone
hear.
13 Pro. Huh? Yeah, even though I'm using an iMac, I have been an Apple.
Yep, so even with that, yep, the
Huh?
next line actually appears already. So yeah, generally speaking, if you want it to be fast, like you can really don't bother about that because it's for social media. People usually are pretty much forgiving and they're not really going to bother, or rather, be too uptight about it, saying that, hey, why didn't you put your text, your caption, later because your voice didn't come out yet, right? So they're not going to do that. So let's just be a bit more lenient on yourself. Remember, the whole point of using all these softwares is for you to save time and to increase efficiency in your business. So, one thing to note is that when you're editing your text over here, the caption, do note that you don't want to, for example, let's say, well, it's been a few weeks and you want to say, I'm really not sure. So, instead of typing in, and I'm really not sure, okay, don't type it in, okay, instead go over to the next line and then go to backspace and then bring the previous line over to the next line. Why do I say that? Well, because if you're adding in new lines over here, the timing will be off. Let's hear this.
Well, it's been a few weeks and I'm really not sure.
Yep, did you see that? So yeah, so let's just delete this and just take a look again.
Well, it's been a few weeks and I'm really not sure.
Yep, so do take note of the editing of the captions over here. Now there are templates for you to play with as well. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that there are lots of templates available for you if you're not too sure exactly what kind of colors you want or what kind of maybe designs. Well, it's actually really quite simple designs. So yeah, you can just take a look here. Maybe let's say I like this one, right? And yeah, you just click on it, it will pop up right over here. So if you're not happy with certain things, you can just adjust it as well. Maybe I want to change the text color to say maybe a hot pink. Okay, yep, I totally can do that as well. But if I prefer my previous one, right, how do I do so? I can just go back to like black over here and I will maybe change here and yep, so this becomes a totally new design for me, right? And I can choose to add template over here. Yep, so maybe this is hot pink. Yep, and there you go. This will be your template already. So the next time around, you can just click on this and all the settings, the designs will be just there for you. Yeah. So that's really cool. So text wise over here, you can actually choose your text style, your favorite text style. So, okay, that you can't really see that. So, there you go. Yep. So these are just really easy to use designs and templates for you. If you have an intro and an outro, you can just upload them immediately and it will just plonk it in into the beginning and the end as well. So this is something that's really useful. So up to you to choose which format you want for your repurposing of your videos. So how then do you extract short clips from this freaking long 13-14 minutes video? Let me show you right now. So maybe for example, I want to extract this one. One of the apps that I use really often, and I'm sure most of you do too, is the camera. So on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it's really easy to get to the camera to activate to get a camera. Okay, I'll stop here. So I would then click on export. So this can be my soundbite. For example, just going to name this as camera and then export video. So that's like literally what 5 seconds to decide, yeah, and to just extract this. So and then it's done. You see, yeah, it's not even a minute, like maybe I don't know 30 seconds. You can also choose to add visual if you want to as well in this particular video. So maybe let's say, okay, let's just click on this and I'll just upload my name, my logo in that sense. Okay, and ta-da! So what happens is that because I've selected this whole chunk over here, this logo over here, this image, and or whatever pop-up effects that you want to put in, whether it's yeah, usually it's photo over here. I don't think you can add a video. So yep, it will appear. This is the start, the beginning where it will appear, and then it will end over here. So let's just take a look from the previous line.
Would might love the Samsung phone. One of the apps that I use really
See, it appeared
often,
here.
and I'm sure most of you do too, is the camera. So on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it's really easy to get to the camera. To activate
And
the
then it
camera on the
disappears.
Samsung phone,
Yep, so it disappears from here. So that's something that's pretty useful, and it's a fast kind of adding of pop-up effects only for images. Yep, on PiktoStory. So that's pretty neat, I would say. Now, so because it's a 13-14 minutes video, maybe I want to extract a few points, right? So then I would go and find the next point that I want to extract. Okay, so I've scrolled down and I want this next point to be extracted. So I'm just going to edit the captions a little bit. Next, how to unlock the phone on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Oops. Ah, my typing is so terrible suddenly. I'm so used to using my fingerprint to unlock my phone. And all I need to do is just double tap. And then with the fingerprint button over here, I just click on it and it then it will unlock. Okay, so let's see. Fingerprint over here, I would just split this up and yep, looks good. So I would then highlight this whole chunk and I'll click on export again. So I would name this the unlock phone export video, as simple as that. So you just go through the whole thing, the whole 13-14 minutes video, right? And then just choose byte sounds. No, choose byte sounds. Sound bites, okay? Choose sound bites that you would like to highlight and you can just piece all of them, all the different clips together into one video. So however you can't do that in PiktoStory itself, you will have to download all the clips and then just drag and drop into another, editing platform and piece everything together. Just glue them up. So ta-da! You get a new video for your social media platforms. So where do you find your clips? Well, it's all over here. So at the top, okay, of your dashboard is the project, and then after that, it's your clips. So over here, you have, first over is your camera, and then second one is your unlock phone. So if you have multiple ones, all you need to do then is just click on download over here. So once you've downloaded all your clips, you then drag and drop them into your editing software platform and just glue them up, stitch them up together, and you will be able to form a brand new video, whether it's a short video, in different formats, some more for your new platforms, for your other platforms, social media profiles. Yep. So that's very easy, right? So this is PiktoStory. So how much does it cost Well, let's take a look at the subscription plans. So I would say the light plan would be enough for most people because you get 180 minutes per month. 180
Wow.
minutes per month is really, really a lot because if you divide by, let's say, 4 weeks, right? 180 divided by 4 is 45 minutes per week. So 45 minutes per week of videos for you to upload. That's actually really good. Yeah, so 45 minutes per week means that if you upload 5 videos a week, that would be 9 minutes per video if you upload 5 videos a week, which most people actually don't really do that. So yeah, light is really more than enough, and it's only $9 per month. If you pay annually, that would be $84 per year. So what's 84 divided by 12? Let's see. Okay, let's not see. 84 divided by 12.
The answer is 7.
So useful. Okay, thank you. So $7 per month. Yeah, which is actually I think pretty worth it as well. Yeah, if you get to repurpose your videos, you get to transcribe them as well. And I think that's a very good deal. Like you saw over here, right? Want to earn additional revenue, join the affiliate program. So I do have an affiliate link for you in the description box below too. Please do use mine if you find that this video has been very useful for you. You're being introduced to a PiktoStory because of this. So please, if you want to support me, support my channel, and I can create more videos for you, please use my affiliate link at no extra cost to you. You are literally just paying the same amount of money to the company. So either it's you are paying the full like $7 if you're paying annually to PiktoStory, or if you like to support me, that same $7, a small portion of it will be given to me as well to help me in my channel. So do let me know what other apps, softwares that you would like me to review for you as well. And yeah, I'll gladly do that for you. Comment in the description. Comment below. Okay, let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.